Hey, I'm Ricky Steele with Northgate Construction. We're here in Belleville doing a massive roof today. It's a cedar shake. We're removing the cedar shake and we're gonna go back with the designer shingle.
My name is Ellen Woods. We own this house since May of 2024. We had to have our roof replaced. It was the original from 1987. We had lifting up of the shanks and some leakage and also critter issues.
We were able to help this customer 100% remote. They travel a ton. Husband's in the NFL. By doing it 100% remote, you can continue on with your day. You got a busy schedule. Should be very quick, simple, and easy, just like this one here. If you're as busy as they are, don't worry. We got a solution for you.
Yes, when I first drove up the drive and saw the roof, I thought it was one of the most beautiful roofs I'd seen. I would absolutely recommend Northgate to do anybody's roof. I would like to sincerely thank Northgate Construction for our fabulous new roof.
On behalf of Northgate Construction, I want to personally thank you for allowing us and trusting us to work on your home. Thank you.